Alright, hey guys, so here is the wig freshly washed. There's the front of it and also the inside, very roomy. It's an ear to ear frontal. Now I'm just going to be plucking the frontal. The frontal does come pre-plucked, okay? Well, the wig does come pre-plucked, but I just like to always go in and just add my own spin on it and just pluck it to my liking. Alright, so here guys, I'm just cutting off the lace, just kind of jagged so they could appear to be more natural. I'm just kind of trying to follow my hairline. Once I do this, I'm just going to be putting it down with some Got To Be. After I put it down, I like to style it a little bit more. Also, I am going to be going back in and trying to kind of perfect the hairline a little bit more, okay? So I'm just flattening out the top and the sides of the unit to just give it a more like natural look. I like for the front of my hair to be more so of straight, like the roots to be straight and the bottom to have more of that wave to it. I'm going in with these sleek edges. There will be a link down below, and this just gives my hair like that pressed shine like look that I love. And after that, I just go over it with the flat iron or the hot comb, okay? And I am plucking a little bit more. You guys are going to see me kind of go in that quite a few times and just pluck it to my liking, basically. And this wig didn't require a whole lot of plucking because, like I said, it was already pre-plucked, so you didn't have to do a whole lot to it. So I opted not to bleach my knots, so I'm just using just a little bit of a face powder and also liquid to just go in and disguise like those knots on that frontal, okay? So now I'm just laying baby hairs. You guys know I'm a baby hair fanatic. So I know everyone doesn't like baby hairs, but I do. So I just go in and kind of mold them. I do go over them quite a few times. I fix them, I thin them out. Sometimes I brush them back and then I lay them. Baby hairs are just such, I don't know, it's one of those type of things you have to continuously play with to kind of make it your own, okay? So that's basically what I'm doing here. You definitely don't have to follow my techniques. Everyone has their own different techniques of baby hair, but this is just what I do. I just kind of go around the hairline, thin it out a little bit, I cut, and I just kind of shape them the way that I would like them to look. So now I'm going in with just water and wetting the hair. And I'm also going to be going in with this diffuser that I got and just drying it so you guys can see what the natural, you know, just curl pattern looks like when it is dry. As you can see, the curls on this wig are freaking beautiful. This is Bodywave hair. I'm getting a water wave vibe. So I'm also going in, and you don't really have to do this step, but I'm going in with a little bit of mousse and just kind of scrunching the hair a little bit. Also taking some of that frizz out from that diffuser. Okay, and then this is just some shine spray, some glosser that I got, some pink glosser I got from Walmart, to just give it kind of like that shine that I like, that sheen. The hair already had a luster, but yeah, so this is what it looks like. Nice and pretty, and it looks so freaking natural. OMG, I love this wig. Stay tuned for the actual review.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, let's get straight into this wig, okay? Because I know y'all already know where it's from and all the whereabouts and all the kind of stuff like that, okay? So anyways, the wig is from Ywigs.com. The specs are on my phone. I have 20 inches. The density is 250% density. I have a 1B, and the cap size is a medium. Links will be down below of all this, okay? Links will be down below of the wig, and also this information will be down below too, all right? So let's get right into it. You guys seen how I styled the hair. I did pretty like quick and easy styling. I did not bleach these knots because it's like, you know, everyone doesn't bleach their knots, so I just put a little makeup on the lace, and that was it, you know, quick and easy. Now when I first brought you guys the wig was freshly washed. Okay, so that was the pattern of the wig after, like I said, being washed. The pattern didn't drop or anything, and that's something that really like impressed me, because Bodywave hair normally doesn't do that. I've worked with a lot of hair. Whew, a lot. And Bodywave hair, like I said, just never comes back. Okay, especially like after you wash it, that's it, it's over with. That's it. I mean, sometimes it'll have like a little bit of wave, but it won't have a wave like this. This is giving me like water wave or like loose wave vibes. I've just never had any body wave like this before, but in all actuality, this is really how body wave is supposed to be. Honestly, it's not supposed to, you wash it one time and it goes straight. How much parting space comes with the wig. So this is the middle for the parting space, and on the side you get about that much, okay, parting space. So you don't get as much in the middle as you do on the sides. So yeah, if you want to like wear like a deep side part or something like that, it's not this long. I like wearing my hair in the middle part, so it's not like a huge deal to me or anything like that. But if you do not prefer a middle part, just know that maybe on the sides you won't get as much parting space as in the middle. Okay, so yeah, not a lot of shedding or anything like that. The hair is soft. It does have like a natural like luster to it. I did put product in this hair, but as you guys saw when I brought you guys the just raw hair after it had been washed, you guys saw that it had like a little luster to it, and the curls was definitely popping it, definitely. So yeah, it does have a natural luster. It's nothing like too crazy or anything like that though. I think I said not a lot of shedding. Yeah, not a lot of shedding or anything like that. I would definitely suggest you guys check out this wig. This is one of those wigs that's like a definite buy, okay, you know what I'm saying? So I would definitely suggest you guys to check them out. They're always doing sales, and they do have affordable wigs that do last a long time, so you will get a bang for your buck when you do order with this company. All right, so anyways guys, I'm not gonna, you know, draw this out longer or anything like that. Any questions, comments, concerns, please do them down below. You guys already know links and everything will be in the description box, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one.